Hey y'all, Phil again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. It's a 2013 Ram 1500. It's only leveled and it's running 35s. Let's check it out.
So big in the windows black, got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets team stands as a team, we on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right guys, like I said, 2013 Ram 1500. Of course, you got the 5.7 Hemi in this one. What he's running for wheels and tires, this is the Hostile Alpha, and it's 20/10, -24. So you can see this is the satin black finish, and it's got the rivet style around the face of the lip as well as Hostile kind of engraved in on there. Now, this is a lip wheel and a concave wheel, so you see it does have a little bit of a lip on it, and then these spokes, start at the edge, and they're really diving back towards the center of the wheel. It is exposed lugs, so you can run the spike lug nuts on here if you want to. We'll get you a bill test. It's payday today, so we got 100 for you. So you get in there and see, if you go all the way back to this edge, you're running close to that 4-inch lip on the 10 wide and still getting some concavity as well. If you go in front of the spokes, it's a little less, maybe 3.5, 3. But that is that. Tires, like I said, 35s on here, and it's only a level. Now this is the Bilstein level. So it's just a leveling strut, the 5100 series, I believe. And we're able to clear these. So this is a Baja ATZ P3. And like I said, 35 tall, 12.5 wide. So you can see you do have some protection from the sidewall here against the edge of the wheel. As far as trimming goes, there isn't any trimming on here. Up front you can see it's just factory, out back, factory. Now it fits, but I wouldn't be off-roading on this setup. You can pull into driveways and whatnot, but you don't want to be banging it off too many rocks because you will run into some clearance issues. You could obviously trim it up and get a little more clearance if you wanted to, but for everyday driving, this works just fine. Walk towards the back. Does have the roll-up tonneau cover on here. There's old wheels and tires in the back. No fitment issues in the rear, obviously. It does have the painted bumpers. So you can see the rear bumper here is painted black to match the truck, and then the carved-in exhaust system, and these are a 5-inch tip. On there, so black exhaust, black bumpers, black truck, black wheels. We got blacked out tint, it's roughly 20%. You can see it matches here. And then we'll just give you a peek at the inside. So these are black leather seats with a cloth insert in the middle. So these are pretty comfy. I really do like these seats. They're a little bit cooler in the summertime. And then your standard Dodge interior. Painted mirrors as well. And lastly, up front, just kind of show you the front of this truck. It's all stock up here, but it does look pretty nice. It's got the black grille. Just the chrome inserts here goes well with the rivets around the outside of the wheel. And also the blacked out headlights. These are projectors in here too. So overall, really clean truck. Looks pretty good for being a 2013. But that is it for this one. 13 Ram, leveled, 35s, 20/10s. Peace.